Want to change fonts in Wix, upload your own custom typeface, or update your entire site's text theme in seconds? Let me show you exactly how.
Start by selecting any text element on your page, like a heading or paragraph. Click Edit Text and then open the Font dropdown. Scroll through the list and pick the font you want. It updates instantly. You can also adjust size, weight, spacing, and more right here.
Pro tip, stick to 2 or 3 fonts max across your site for a clean, consistent design.
To upload your own font, click on Site Design in the left menu, then go to Text. Click Upload Fonts and drag in your TTF, OTF, or DIALF file. Once uploaded, your font appears in the list, ready to use in any text box.
Don't worry, your custom font will be stored in your Wix account so you can reuse it anytime.
To control your site-wide typography, go to Site Design and click Text Themes. Here, you can set default styles for headings 1-6, paragraphs, and more. Updating these will change all matching text across your site automatically.
And that's it. You now know how to change fonts, upload your own, and keep your site's typography on brand, fast and easy.